Hello, I am Muresan Vlad. I'll be showing off my current project. Here we can see the helmet, the astronaut's helmet, which is composed of most of the sphere which has been modified using uh, extrusion, dragging, scaling and so on, while the tube itself is created using a cylinder which has been given an array modifier and made to follow the shape of a Bezier curve. Following, we'll look towards the glove. I'll be showing the right glove here. You can see the biggest difference is obviously the armature, which is this part of the model. Each armature is created out of different bones, which simulate real-life bones, for example, of an arm. Each bone is used to change the appearance of the model. Here, as we can see, we can move it around. I have made a few poses, this being the relax pose, while there's also two more poses such as the close pose and the pointing pose. Following that, we'll look quickly towards the rover model, which is the most complex of the models. Here, as we can see it here, it has been made using the specifications found on the NASA's website, where I have managed to find the schematics of the rover itself. Here, the rover also has the wheels and their covers separate from the rest of the model, so it will allow to have changes such as having the wheels move and turn left and right. Now moving towards the app itself, starting with the UI, we'll have the controls menu, which shows the controls of each scene, and then we'll start showcasing the rover test scene, which can move left, right while steering, also moves forward, backwards. As you can see, there's a small error with the clipping issues, which has not been able to fix yet. Now moving to other UI portion will be the pause menu, which as we can see stops the time as well as allows us to resume it or possibly go back to my menu. Next we'll look over the animation test, which as we can see here shows the helmet and the gloves which I shown earlier in the blender part. Each of them can choose one of the different poses that I've shown off earlier, and that is mostly probably done. As well, we also have a pause menu with the same function as the ones used for the rover animation, and the quit menu, which of course quits the application. Following that, we'll take a quick look over the code. Here, as you can see, the terrain generation, which has been using the Perlin noise method to generate randomly generate terrain, using these values. Following that, we also has the wheel control, which uses a wheel collider to have a value of acceleration or braking to simulate the real movements of a rover. You can see while the meshes themselves follow the position and rotation of said collisions to imitate more accurately the movement of a real life car. Here we can also see the camera controls, while the glove script, which is the second scene that I've shown, show off the animator itself, which uses the close and point values to choose which animation is active. And that is all. Finally, we'll also look a bit towards the class diagram, which as shown here is composed of the entirety of the classes shown in the Unity project, shown and used in the Unity project. Thank you for your time.